Welcome back to Weekend at 1. Let's continue informing you. To education matters where Kiambu National Polytechnic, Kabete, Nyeri, Michuki, Coast National Polytechnic, host Kisiwa and the Eldoret National Polytechnic were among the TVET training institutions that scooped trophies in innovation and skills at Coast National Polytechnic. Andama Joffrey, the host principal, and Daniel Randa, Tetu principal, said the National TVET Fair has given students a big platform to showcase diverse range of talents from various departments. The principal said they are aligned with the State Department to address youth unemployment.
You guys have been able to put together skills, innovation, and now sports. I mean, kuweka hizo mambo yote pamoja, I say hongera.
We participated in the just concluded TVET fairs for Nairobi region, and I'm happy that Kiambu National Polytechnic emerged the best overall. And to break it down a bit, it is that out of 16 innovations that were presented, we happened to be number 1 in 3 of them. And in civil engineering, we happened to sweep position 1, position 2, and position 3. Then when it came to skills, we also performed exemplary well. Out of 16 categories, we were position 1.
Now, a single mother is living in constant fear